Alright guys, so today I'm working on the 1964 C-10. Alright, it's my truck, it's my daily. I've got a cruise in 7 days, and my dumbass started picking at a bubble and found a rust hole and kept going until I found out the whole front of the cab needs to be re-welded. So what I'm doing today is I'm actually going to be working new metal in around as usual. Didn't buy it, cut it off another car in the backyard. So I'm going to be working on that. Some of the smaller holes, I'm going to see if I can just weld them. But there was up to a 1/2 inch of Bondo in some of these areas. So I'm going to be working on that today. We're going to try to do it. I realized I was got to sand the paint off the top of the roof. So I want the whole truck to match. I've been playing with the idea of patina in the whole truck. So I've been playing with stripper on the back and sanding the doors. So we'll see how it comes out. But I got 7 days and only 2 days off before now and then to make it all happen. So working on fixing the holes. I'll take a quick video and show you all the holes. And all right, so I started picking here. Now I've ended up sanding the whole roof, but it goes all the way around and around the other side. So I've got it to bare metal where I need to weld, so I can go ahead and do that. But yeah, it was this shiny green color, and now the truck's gonna be that. Turns out this truck's been painted many times. So anyway, all right, well, I've got some metal here I cut out of the car in the backyard. I'm gonna try to first stitch weld these little holes up, and then when it gets bigger I'm gonna have to cut a section out. What I'm worried about is this concave here, because I've got two working together, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. So all right. So today I found out I had a leak on my welding tank. So when I came out to get to work today, the tank was dry, and it's Sunday, so I can't get any. So I finished the whole other side of the truck with flux core. I despise it. It's dirty. I don't like the way it welds. So it's just tacked in and all, because you know my situation here. I can't make noise past 8. So that means the rest of this week I can do all the welding at night because that doesn't make any noise. I am down to the wire. It is Sunday. Saturday morning I have to be on the road for this cruise. And yeah. So anyway, it's all tacked in. I can weld it out during the week. I still got to take the sunroof out and weld it out. I'm gonna work on that now, and then we'll do some patina on the truck. So leave it to me last minute to freaking try to get it all done. I've been so busy with the car. I haven't worked on the truck, and I was going to run it like it was fine, but then I started picking with it, and yeah. So anyway, take the sunroof out now. I've never opened the sunroof since I had it. There's a pair of vice grips hold it shut. I've just always left it that way. It leaks too. So hopefully this thing comes out without too much trouble. Well, that wasn't that bad. Now I gotta get the frame out. Alright guys, everything's welded in place, good to go. Roof looks solid. All the rub rails were replaced. All the gutter rails, I mean, all the way around. So now I'm gonna start patinaing the truck. That's 5 hours of sanding on the roof, got nowhere. So I'm gonna try this aircraft stripper and work on the hood right now to see how it goes.
Waste 9 moments away, like I'm not the better today. You can your thoughts tonight, but I love that dust. You can spark from my way, there's another's of the day. And every time I turn around, I give it up for you say, what will you ride? I say, it'll be alright. Every time I turn around, I give it up for love. You're all about the things you see. Well, Lord, give you terrible dreams. We hope you'll wake up tonight. I love that dust. You can spark from our way.
Alright guys, well, I'm gonna stop it there for this part. This truck build's probably got a lot of videos, so I'm going to break it up into pieces, that way it's not one huge video. It is Monday. I got to get to work in a half hour, so I got to go jump in the shower. But cruise is Saturday morning. So out of welding gas, so I got to find time today to go get welding gas. And then every night, you know, quietly out here trying to freaking strip the paint. Hopefully I get it done. I don't know, so I've got one more day off before Saturday. So, be working at night and mornings trying to get this done. Alright, I'll show you some photos where I'm at.